So hello guys, my name is Akash Kashyap and this is my Honor 20i and it is started receiving the EMUI 9.1 update. Let me just show you what is the change log. So guys, as you can see that this is of 3.14 GB and the change log says that this update optimizes the display effects and colors and streamlines settings items, and display it standardizes the color for more fluid and dynamic display and optimize the haptic vibrations, simplified settings like earlier in rest of the models, and incoming call video, customize the incoming call video for your contacts call. There is some fixtures, and the system is optimized, camera is improved, and the July 2019 Android security patch by Google has been released and patched with this system security update. Guys, let me just show you how to register and download this update. So for that you just need to go to this app which is High Care, and in this app you have to tap on the update button. This update icon is here and you have to just tap on it. And guys, here because I have already applied for it, so it is not showing that apply option, but you can just tap here and then go to your settings and then check for the update. Your update will come. So guys, this is how you can get the EMUI 9.1 update on your Honor 20i in the first patch by just registering on the High Care app, and you will instantly get the update in your device. I hope you guys like the video, and if you like the video, so please like it, comment if you have any questions, and subscribe to Akash Kashyap. Also share this video if you like my video. So thank you guys.